Okay, let's break it down. Let's start from the intro. The first phrase is this is the first phrase. We'll be working on the first and the second and the third string, high E, B, and G. So slide to the 5th fret, second string with vibrato. This is the first thing to do. Then go back to the 5th fret again, down, second fret, second string, 3rd string on the 2nd fret. So vibrato again. Don't ever stand still on your note. Just make sure you go up and down with your finger in a vibrato mode. So again, real slow. Then you move to the 5, 6, 7th fret in the 3rd string. Okay, so twice on the 7th fret and the 3rd string, 5th, 2nd fret. So these are the first 2 phrases of the lick, of the intro. Then something interesting. This is very interesting because this is very peculiar of Duane Allman. We are on the 2nd string, 5th fret, and 1st string, 3rd fret. 6, 8, and 5th. So vibrato, 3rd string, 3rd string, 2nd and 1st string. Now the second part, the solo. We're still in the A key. The first phrase is first string, 12th fret, 13, 14, 15, sorry, 1st string, always 1st string, 12, 13, 15, 12. Second phrase. first string, 5, 6, 7, 8. 11, 10. Then second string, 6th fret, 20. Go to the E. So again, same phrase, and close to A. The whole phrase is open A. Second and third string, A. Always key of A. Okay, thank you, and have a good time. Bye and thank you.